Understanding uniform code, an essential phrase in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase uniform code. This phrase is quite common in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English language skills. Uniform code generally refers to a set of rules or guidelines that are consistently applied in a specific area or organization. The word uniform implies that these rules are the same for everyone, without exceptions, while code suggests a system or collection of rules. School environment. In schools, a uniform code often refers to the dress code. It means that all students must wear a similar set of clothes, which promotes equality and reduces distractions. Workplace. In a workplace, this phrase can refer to a standard dress code or operational procedures that all employees must follow. Legal and military settings. In legal or military contexts, a uniform code might refer to a comprehensive set of laws or regulations that govern behavior and operations. Understanding and adhering to a uniform code is crucial because it ensures fairness and equality, promotes a sense of belonging and identity, helps in maintaining order and discipline. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and significance of uniform code. Remember, this phrase is all about consistency and standardization in rules and procedures. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning journey.